Live. Okay, pa-flex po ng front ng suot nyo. Para kay Rita, dito po yung suot sort kayo now. This is cotton elasan. This one is very stretchy. It also has a crotch in the front as well. So, isin muna natin at nahiga na naman yung aking hotdog. So yan siya. Ready na to check out. Very stretchable na rin siya as well. So, ang ganda. Go na with this one, everybody. So, waistline na okay na. So, go na with this one. Bro, pa-flex basket 24. Size small. Check ko lang kung may 24 tayo. Check ko lang kung may small tayo ng number 24, ha? So, this is medium. Wait lang ha. So this one is black, white. I'll check. Ayun, meron tayong small, yeah. Okay, right now we have your number 24 clover for number 24. So right now we have the sample of small for color black. So this one is large. Ito, large siya. Ito naman. Ito yung small natin, yung black. No, this is size small. Ayan, size small. Ito, color green naman natin, size medium, no? So let's flex the black. So you want the small, right? Okay, so ito po siya. Nakakita sa videos. Isa na ba ito si Annalyn Javier? Ayan, totoo ba, Annalyn? Ayan, okay. So, check na rin na dito sa live. So, ito po yung ating size ball natin. This is made from a cotton and polyester material. It was hi, Sir Mac. Sir Mac, hello. So, crotch na rin po yung front. Ito holds sa pocket here in the left side as well. Meron siya ditong printed na quick reminder. As well sa back niya, meron din siya, no?